Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Amanda and I'm from amandacrochets.com. In today's video I'm going to be doing a small yarn haul on the Caron Tea Cakes yarn. Now this yarn has been much anticipated, as I believe it started to come out a few months ago. However, Michael's stores never had them in stock, at least near me, so I had to patiently wait online, and for the yarn to become available online, it took a very long time as well, and I don't know if it was just a shipment issue or what the issue exactly was, but they had it on the website and it just teased you because it was there, but it said out of stock online as well as out of stock in the stores near me. So finally, when it became available a few weeks ago, I was able to purchase the yarn, and it just arrived about a week ago. So I'm very happy with my yarn haul. I do have a few things to talk about my yarn haul, which I will get to in a few minutes, but let's go ahead and look at the colors that I picked up. So I did not pick up every color in the yarn line. I just wanted to pick up a few colors that I was gravitating towards. So this is the Caron Tea Cakes, and they did have this yarn, I want to say maybe 2 or 3 years ago, and I really loved the color selections that they had with that yarn. I do not have any skeins of that yarn anymore, so I can't compare the skein size or the weight of the yarn or anything like that. So I'm kind of hoping that they're the exact same, maybe just a little bit more yardage than the previous tea cakes. But this is the Caron Tea Cakes from this year, and this is from the Lush Living collection, and this is an 8.5 ounce cake, or 240 grams. It's 204 yards, or 186 meters. It's 80% acrylic and 20% wool, and they recommend that you hand wash this and lay flat to dry. Now again, this is a bulky weight yarn, so this is a bulky number 6 weight yarn, and the recommended needle size is a US 11 or 8 millimeter, and the recommended crochet hook is an L/11 or 8 millimeter crochet hook. And then the color I got was Storm, and I got a few different skeins of this. I think I picked up 4 skeins of this color, and it's a really pretty mix of like a light gray and a darker gray, kind of like a brownish gray as well, and a dark gray. So you have a couple of different shades of gray, and I thought this was a really pretty color. I really like that, and I really love this color a lot. Now, even though you can feel the wool in this yarn, it's still very nice and soft, and it will definitely keep you warm in the cold winter months. Now I do have a project in mind with this yarn, and I hope that you take advantage of that free pattern, which I will have on my channel probably within the next month, most likely sometime in January. So be on the lookout for that, but I'm really excited for that. And you can see just how thick this yarn is, so you could probably whip up a project in no time with this. So this is Storm, like I said, and this is a beautiful multi-tonal gray color. And for this yarn, it's self-striping, so you'll have that light color which will transition into the next color, which will again transition into that next color. So Storm. And then this is the next color that I picked up, and this color is called Smoked Fruit. And I just thought it was really pretty with all those different colors in there. So you get this lime green color, and you kind of get like a very light salmon pinkish color or coral color. Then you get into that orange color, and then you kind of have like this fuchsia purpley color, and then you have like this aqua color, and back to that green color. So I thought that was a really pretty color, and I picked up 2 skeins of this yarn. Very, very pretty. Now for this yarn, or for this particular color, I ordered 2 skeins of this, but they only sent me 1, and they canceled my other one because they said that it was out of stock. However, when I did check the website said it was still available, so I guess there might be a glitch on their website. So don't be alarmed if you order something and then your order is canceled, because this seems to be super popular yarn. So some of the colors might be out of stock even if they say that they're in stock on the website. So just be mindful of that. And this is called Ocean Night. And it's really pretty because it has the different types of blue colors in there. And I really love it a lot. So it has like a medium tone blue, and then it has a slightly darker blue, and it has that lighter blue, and then it kind of has that aqua, I guess you would say aqua blue to it. But I really love this. I just wish that I was able to get the 2 skeins. So I might have to call up Michaels and see if they have gotten that color back in stock, and see if they can send me out a replacement. But very pretty color. And this color that I got is marine green. And when I saw this on their website, I knew I had to have this color. This is probably my favorite in the entire line. And it has that light bluish green color, kind of like a, not a lime green, but maybe like an olive green color. A little bit of like a greenish gray. And then that darker blue. And then back to that color from the center. So I just thought it was really pretty, and like I said, it was one of my favorites that I saw on their website. So I'm really happy with this, and I ordered 4 skeins of this. So again, this is marine green. And finally, originally I ordered 4 skeins of this marine green, and in my Michaels order, I did not receive that in my first order. I ended up receiving this color instead. And the color that this is called Rainforest. And this has like a deep teal color. It has some different shades of green, gray in there, and then it has like a chartreuse color to it. Now I did not order this color at all. It's not one of my favorites, but I think I can find something that will make it work. Or I might just end up returning it to the Michaels store. But I did receive 4 skeins of this instead of the marine green color. So when I contacted them about that missing skein, I also mentioned the yarn that I did not receive, and that's why they sent out a replacement of the 4 skeins of that marine green that I was missing. And they said that I can either keep this yarn, return it, or whatever I choose to do with it. So again, I do have 4 skeins of this Rainforest color, and when I picked up this yarn, I was able to get it for, I think I bought it two skeins at full price, and then you get 1 skein for free. So I thought that was a nice deal. But I know Michaels usually has the 20% off coupon that you can find on their website. So I don't know if you can find this yarn in your local Michaels, but I would probably say if you haven't found it in your stores, you could definitely get it online. Again, I can't say if every single color is still going to be in stock, but you can always check it out and see what they have. I really like this. I think out of the whole Caron Cake yarn line, this is probably my favorite. I just love the bulkiness of it, and I love color options. And I just love how soft and squishy it is. And I definitely made a couple different scarves with this in the past, and they really were nice and warm. So I'm looking forward to sharing my newest pattern with you, and again, be on the lookout for that. So thank you so much for joining me today on the Caron Tea Cake yarn haul that I had, and I hope you enjoyed some of the colors that I picked up. And I hope you go on the Michaels website or in the store and pick up some colors that maybe you are interested in as well. So thank you so much for joining me again. Now it's time to like, comment, and subscribe to see all future videos by me. And as always, happy crocheting! Bye!